There's fish. You love fish. This one too. Okay, over here. Come on, there's more. Wow.
Have you been here before?
Nope. Say, excuse me.
He wants to get some stuff too.
So cute.
I want some carrots and cucumbers.
Are you kidding me?
Right, what you getting in there, bud? Oh, look it. How about some corn and some carrots?
Corn and carrots?
Yeah?
I got corn.
Because
Okay.
you bring it up there to the...
Carrots? I got carrots.
Okay, how about a tomato and a couple of potatoes?
Yeah, you take it up the elevator and then go...
Okay. She's got to check you out. Oh, did you get some mac and cheese? You better get some mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese.
What are you doing?
Here, let's go this way.
He's got to unpack it.
He's weighing his... How much does it weigh? Stop, stop. How much does it weigh?
Oh, you're getting a big sausage, huh?
I got a big sausage.
Oh my god. He's weighing it too. He's weighing it too.
No, go put your stuff back. He can pick,
Yeah.
and then they send it to...
Right, come this way. Bring your cart, or leave your cart right here. Come on over here. It's okay.
You gotta pay her your monies. Are
Go
you
on.
taking his groceries?
It's okay. Right, let's go pick some groceries. This way, this way. This way, look. We can pick groceries over here. Stop. Stop. Look at
Sushi!
groceries. Carrots. You can pick carrots. Right. There's a wheelbarrow for you to pick. No. This way. Look at, there's tomatoes. Do you want some tomatoes? Pick some tomatoes. Ah. Okay, that's enough. Come this way. Come this way. Go get your stuff. Get your... No, right. Right, come here.
Okay.
Go get your wheelbarrow. Get your wheelbarrow. Uh-oh. It's okay. Pick up your fruit. Or your veggies. Pick up your veggies. Okay, now come on. Just this way, this way. Turn, turn. Park it underneath there, honey. All right. Now give me one of them. Let me show you. Okay, look. Look, it's taking it up the elevator. There it goes. Look it. Did you see that? Want to try again? Okay, put them right there. What are you putting up there? Aww. Look, watch. Go over there. Look.
They're going in there.
Yeah, they're going to go into the thing.
Oh!